It was a clear, crisp morning as F.I.G dropped the Aston down through the gears. It had been a night to remember, a winning streak at Baccarat, an unexpected yet delightful dalliance with the hotel receptionist. And now, a new mission. Part of the team, bringing super-fast broadband to pretty much every home and commercial premises in the UK. Fibre to the home, F.I.G to the front door. A full fibre connection, delivering gigabit-capable broadband to at least 85% of the country over the next 4 years. And to cover those last few meters, the fibre drop cable to the house, from the cabinet in the street to the property's fibre distribution point, comes F.I.G, James F.I.G, with his fibre installation gun. Licensed to blow a 2-4 fibre bundle up to a distance of 2 kilometres, a 12 fibre bundle up to 1 kilometre, and a 24 fibre bundle up to 500 metres through 5, 6, 7 and 8 millimetre microduct, using only a 10-bar compressor weighing less than 25 kilos. F.I.G is a lightweight, cordless, battery-powered blowing gun that's ready to use in minutes. One-man operation includes an adjustable pushing force and an innovative anti-buckle fibre loading mechanism that prevents fibre damage and wastage. Its unique click-twice cruise control allows the fibre to keep on running without holding the trigger at speeds of up to 60 meters per minute. The fibre that can be pre-terminated on reel or delivered directly from a pan floats along the duct on a cushion of air before appearing at the street cabinet ready for connection. F.I.G by FTTH Innovations is ideally suited to all types of premises where 5, 6, 7 or 8 millimeter microduct has been installed. It blows everything else away. Almost everything else.